Healthcare data exchange using HL7 and FHIR enables efficient data integration, interoperability, and analytics. It supports clinical data processing, electronic health records, public health reporting, and remote patient monitoring, ensuring smooth data flow across healthcare systems. HL7 and FHIR processing includes parsing data into files and tables, as well as building healthcare data format from files and tables without the need for a single line of code. HL7 data is parsed, structured, and stored in tables for efficient querying and analysis, enabling streamlined healthcare data management without any complex coding. The upcoming demo will illustrate this process in detail using DataFinz. Here is a sample HL7 data that is to be parsed into tables. To achieve this, the user can navigate to Data Pipeline in the DataFinz interface, click on Integrate, and create a new integration by specifying the integration name, selecting the integration type as Data Exchange, and choosing HL7 Parser to Table as the integration subtype. Additionally, the user configures the file connection, specifies the HL7 object name, and selects the database connection where the data will be stored. Once the setup is complete, running the process initiates the data transformation. The corresponding tables are automatically created in the target database, and every HL7 record is parsed and stored systematically. DataFinz intelligently reads, identifies, and creates the appropriate column names, ensuring efficient and structured data storage, all without writing a single line of code. To parse a sample HL7 data into files, the user creates a new integration by choosing HL7 Parser to File as the integration subtype. Additionally, the user configures the file connection and other required parameters. Once the setup is complete, the next step is to run the process. The corresponding files are automatically created in the target, and the HL7 data is parsed and stored in Amazon S3 in CSV format without any complex coding. Similarly, to build HL7 data from files, the user can create a new integration by configuring the integration name, integration type as Data Exchange, file connection as HL7 Builder from File, base file name, other required parameters, delimiter, file extension, HL7 output connection, output file, and HL7 line split. Upon execution, the HL7 data is built from files as shown here, all without writing a single line of code. FHIR data is retrieved, processed, and organized into relational tables, all without writing a single line of code, using DataFinz. This allows for effective querying and analysis, facilitating smooth integration and optimized data handling. The upcoming demo will demonstrate this workflow in detail. Here is a sample FHIR data that can be parsed into tables using DataFinz. To achieve this, the user can navigate to Data Pipeline in the DataFinz interface and create a new integration by specifying the integration name, selecting the integration type as Data Exchange, FHIR Parser to Table as the integration subtype, file connection, FHIR object name, target connection, target object name, and schema changes if necessary. Once the setup is complete, running the process initiates the data transformation. Upon execution, the corresponding tables are automatically created in the target database, and every FHIR record is parsed and stored into tables. To parse FHIR data into files using DataFinz, the user can create a new integration by specifying the integration name, selecting the integration type as Data Exchange, FHIR Parser to File as the integration subtype, file connection, specifies the FHIR object name, target connection, target object name, delimiter, and schema changes if necessary. Then, upon execution, the FHIR records are parsed and stored into files in the target, all without any complex coding. Building FHIR data from files or tables can be done using the API pipelines in DataFinz by creating a new model and integrating the model after creation.